Today, we're at the fastest Formula One track in the world, Monza. And I've brought something truly special, the ultimate Porsche 911 GT3 RS, upgraded with the legendary Manthey Racing kit. But here's the challenge: can this kit really transform me from an amateur into a near pro and help me smash through Monza's iconic Parabolica corner at mind-blowing speeds? Let's find out! Welcome back to Motor Vista, the home of the most insane car tests on the planet. Today, we're at Monza, the Temple of Speed, where Formula One cars average over 160 miles per hour in qualifying. But this track isn't just fast, it's dangerous. The Parabolica corner has a history of big accidents, and even the F1 safety car lost control here last year. So, why am I here? To see how fast I can take this legendary corner in the new Porsche 911 GT3 RS Manthey Racing Edition. This car is one of the fastest road legal track weapons money can buy. But can Manthey's upgrades really make a difference? And can they help me beat a professional racing driver? First, what makes this kit so special? Manthey Racing focused on aerodynamics and suspension, not raw power. The result? 20% more downforce without extra drag. That's up to 1,000 kilograms, pushing this car onto the tarmac. How? With an extended front splitter that works like an air shovel, a full aero underbody, wheel discs to reduce drag, a redesigned diffuser, and that insane double-element rear wing. Add to that advanced suspension with separate rebound and compression valves operating at 1,000 Hz, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Revolutions tires for ultimate grip. All this makes the GT3 RS Manthey Edition easier to control at the limit, giving amateur drivers like me confidence to push harder. But before I drive the Manthey GT3 RS, I need a baseline. So first, I'll take a stock GT3 RS and see what speed I can hit through the Parabolica. My benchmark: a pro driver just managed 207 kilometers per hour. Can I get close? Let's go! Driving sequence. The GT3 RS is incredible, but it's twitchy at the limit. I managed 203 kilometers per hour, not bad, but still off the pace. Now, time for the Manthey car. Immediately, it feels more planted and stable through fast corners. I push harder lap after lap, and with every turn, my confidence grows. The downforce is working its magic. The car feels glued to the track. After several attempts, I nail it 211 kilometers per hour through the Parabolica. Not only did I beat my previous speed, but I'm now only 1 second per lap slower than the pro driver, down from a 4-second gap. That's huge! So what made the difference? The aero and suspension upgrades gave me the confidence to brake later and get on the power earlier. The car communicates better, and the extra grip means I can trust it. Of course, the Manthey kit also adds Cup 2 Revolutions tires, which account for about 1 second of the 3-second improvement, but the rest is pure engineering genius. The cost? £100,000 plus fitting on top of the GT3 RS price. Is it worth it? If you want the ultimate track day machine that makes you feel like a racing hero, absolutely. It's like a cheat code for speed and confidence. So, what do you think? Would you spend £100,000 to save 3 seconds a lap and feel like a pro? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Motor Vista for more epic car battles and high-speed challenges.